Toyota is issuing a review for the 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. The review is for programmed Corollas just in light of the fact that the guilty party is the new coordinate Shift-CVT Toyota presented without precedent for this vehicle. Around 3,400 Corollas will return to U.S. dealerships to have the whole transmission supplanted. Toyota says that there is a plausibility that because of an assembling blunder, the cutting edges of the siphon impeller in the torque converter may confine, making harm the torque converter and potential loss of thought process control. Toyota's new CVT, which will likewise be found in the up-and-coming 2020 Corolla sedan, is an absolutely new plan for the organization known best for its auto's dependability. The transmission extraordinarily comprises of a solitary dispatch outfit basically joined to a persistently factored transmission. Using a genuine apparatus when taking off from a stop is more proficient than depending entirely on the CVT, which thus can utilize a littler pulley and in this manner enhance response times at higher paces. We discovered it performed stunningly amid our Corolla Hatchback first drive. Obviously, however, the torque converter didn't confine amid that drive. Toyota is obviously during the time spent acquiring new parts, so it can put new transmissions in all the influenced autos. Toyota does not detail whether any accidents or wounds have come about as a result of this issue yet.